Hello, I'm Yunchan Lee, CEO of SeedWave. Today I will introduce EcoDrop, our smart restoration solution designed to tackle desertification through AI, drones, and eco-friendly materials. I will cover four key points: the problem, our solution, our business potential, and why our team can make this happen. Let me begin with the problem we are solving and why EcoDrop matters now. Desertification is no longer a local environmental issue. It is a global crisis. Every year, massive areas of land are degraded, farmland is lost, and billions of people are affected. This means desertification directly threatens food security, economic stability, and sustainable development. The problem is growing fast, but current restoration methods are still slow, expensive, and inefficient. That is exactly where EcoDrop begins. Our goal is simple: restore degraded land faster, more efficiently, and at lower cost. EcoDrop combines SAP for water retention, coffee ground fertilizer, biodegradable capsules, and drone GIS-based precision deployment. So we are not just spreading seeds. We are building a restoration system designed to improve germination, survival, and scalability at the same time. Our strategy is built on three strengths. First, we reduce cost and increase efficiency through drone GIS operation. Second, we improve plant survival through an optimized combination of seed, SAP, and nutrients. Third, we created a data-driven system where AI continuously improves formulation and deployment. In short, EcoDrop is not just a single product. It is an integrated restorational platform. One of our core technologies is SAP, a super absorbent polymer. In dry environments, water availability determines whether seeds survive or fail. SAP captures water, restores it, and releases it gradually around the seed. This gives the EcoDrop a clear advantage in improving early germination and establishment, which are the most critical stages in desert restoration. Our innovation does not stop at materials. We are building experimental data on seed, SAP, and fertilizer combinations, using AI to identify the most effective formulation. At the same time, GIS analysis and drone deployment help us decide where, when, and how to apply EcoDrop. After field application, new data is collected and feedback into the system. This creates a continuous optimization loop that makes the solution smarter over time. EcoDrop is designed as an end-to-end process. We begin with field demand and site analysis, move into material and growth experiments, apply drone-based deployment, and then evaluate outcomes for further optimization. This means our project is not just an idea or a concept. It is a structured process that connects research, field execution, and measurable improvement. Now, let me move to R&D progress and future roadmap. So far, we have focused on four core areas: SAP synthesis, germination improvement, long-term growth, and HPMC coating test. These are the technical foundation of EcoDrop, and they directly support both field applicability and commercialization. Our next R&D phase has four steps: formulation optimization, target area analysis, drone deployment testing, and field validation. The direction is clear. We are moving to laboratory verification to real-world implementation. Our budget is structured for execution. It supports experiments, field testing, operational setup, and IP propagation. So this is not just a research budget. It is a growth budget for both technology development and commercialization. Next, I will explain how EcoDrop can create value in real markets. The market opportunity is strong and expanding. We are especially focused on Asia and the Middle East, where restoration demand is high and field application is urgent. Because desertification response is closely linked to afforestation, ecosystem restoration, and climate action. EcoDrop can grow not only as a product, but also as a project-based restoration business. This is where our differentiation becomes clear. Many existing restoration approaches focus mainly on seed balls or simple planting. But in arid regions, the real challenge is not planting itself. It is whether seeds can actually germinate and survive. EcoDrop addresses the challenge directly by combining water retention, nutrients, biodegradable materials, and precision deployment. That is our key difference. We are not just planting seed, we are engineering survival. Our business model is also flexible. EcoDrop can expand into B2G, B2B, and B2C. The main business model is B2G. We can work with governments and public institutions on restoration projects, collaborate with companies through ESG initiatives, and provide automated seeding services for field users. This gives us multiple entry points and multiple revenue paths. EcoDrop is designed not only for work better, but also to cost less. Our target restoration cost per hectare is lower than conventional approaches, while drone operations significantly reduce labor and time. When combined with SAP-based water retention, this creates a more efficient restoration model with stronger cost performance. The impact of EcoDrop is 3. Environmentally, economically, sociotically. This is why we believe EcoDrop is not only meaningful as an environmental ideal, but also viable as a real business solution. We are also thinking beyond pilot execution. Our goal is to standardize a capture composition, optimize designs for different environments, and establish drone operation guidelines such as spacing and route design. This is important because scalable impact requires not only technology, but also repeatable standards. Finally, let me introduce the team behind EcoDrop. SeedWave brings together expertise in business planning, AI, materials, chemistry, and operations. This combination allows us to approach desertification not only as a research issue, but as a field-driven and business-ready challenge. Our team has already built meaningful traction through startup programs, competitions, and patent propagation. These results matter because they show that our project has already been recognized for both innovation and execution potential. We are also supported by a growing network of universities, organizations, and entrepreneurship programs. These partnerships strengthen our capabilities in experimentation, commercialization, networking, and future field validation. In other words, EcoDrop is supported by both capable team and a scalable ecosystem. In conclusion, EcoDrop is an integrated restoration solution for one of the world's fastest growing environmental challenges. By combining water retention materials, biodegradable capsules, and AI drone GIS-based purification operations, we aim to make restoration more effective, scalable, and commercially viable. We are not simply planting seeds. We are building a smarter way to restore land. Thank you for listening my presentation.